Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be treating my skin and pretty much just letting it breathe today. I have the day off, so I'm just running errands and I just want to have everything deep cleaned, and I'll just do my lashes, so I'll walk you guys through that. So I'm going to be achieving this with Priyanamd products. I've used them before and I really like the results so far, so I wanted to do a short review for you guys. Priyanamd is a company that wholesales to plastic surgeons, dermatologists, and med spas. They offer products that are clinically tested and physician approved. Although that's what they normally do, they are trying to get their products out there for the consumers to use so that people can use them easily at home. Priyanamd practices responsible purchasing, which means they are working with the right suppliers to ensure the quality of the materials and the removal of parabens and other harmful ingredients. Priyanamd is also a boxless company where they commit to supply eco-friendly solutions from design process to end user. They are 100% free from artificial colors, artificial fragrances, sulfates, chemical sunscreens, and cruelty. Now they offer skincare products that range anywhere from a mask that costs $19.99 to regenerative serums that cost $152. They have an assortment of different products that they make that include human stem cell, plant stem cell, DNA repair, and cannabidiol. Priyanamd offers products that are going to help people that struggle with rosacea, aging, melasma, hyperpigmentation, and acne. So I received some products in exchange for this review. The products that I received were Versacleanse, an anti-aging and brightening foaming cleanser, Versapeel, an intensive corrective exfoliant, Versalift eye cream, a restoring and lifting cream, Versalash eyelash enhancer serum, and Versalash 3D fiber mascara. On Priyanamd's website, they have their own page for the ingredients that are in these products that let you know what they are and how they work and why they're in those products. It's time to start this bad boy off. I'm gonna go ahead and use the cleanser now. I'm gonna put my hair up and we can get started. Now this is supposed to remove any makeup very easily and actually has a built-in toner. This calms your skin with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial ingredients. It smells really fresh and it feels really light and bubbly, so it's nice. And you're not supposed to get it near your eyes. What I do is just massage it in with my fingertips in little circular motions so that I am really trying to buff it into my pores. This actually has powerful active ingredients like antioxidants, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, aloe vera, green tea, licorice, and witch hazel. This is a really good foam cleanser. I've used a couple different foam cleansers before, and this difference between this brand and a lot of other foaming cleansers is I actually have been noticing results faster, which is great. You're supposed to use this twice daily, so it's gentle enough to be able to use twice a day, which is awesome. So I'm gonna rinse that off and I'll be right back. So step 2 is Versapeel. Versapeel is supposed to be a makeover in a bottle, and I am very impressed. I've noticed my acne scarring specifically has lightened each time that I've used this. This is like a gentle peel that you can do at home with no downtime, so you don't have to worry about your skin shedding and going through that really awkward, uncomfortable stage when you get peels done. This is a detoxifying gel peel that helps reduce acne, pore size, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, tone, and texture. Pretty much overall complexion, this is going to help you. It comes with this cute little fan brush for application, so I'm going to go ahead and start that up. Alright, let's do this. Get over those acne scars, bye. You just want to make sure that you don't go too close to your eyes. You do feel a tingle because of the glycolic acid. Like you actually feel the product working. If you have sensitive skin, you just would put it on for a shorter amount of time. So Versapeel is 20% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid, which helps reduce blemishes and facial P bacteria. You don't want to put this on your skin if you have like open sores or anything. When you're done, the last like 30 seconds, run it down your neck. Your neck's a little bit more sensitive, so you don't want to have this product on there for too long.
My time is up. I'm gonna go rinse this off and I'll be right back.
Now this is an eye cream that can be used twice daily. This can be used under the eye and over the eye, on top of the lid, and into the brow bone. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I don't normally try to put moisturizer here because then I personally feel like it moves around my makeup or has it more prone to creasing. So I don't try to do that, but this is something that seeps in and really plumps up your eyes and gives it all the nutrients that it needs. I'm gonna kind of be messy with it. This product really does give you a plumping effect. So if you have like sunken in under eye bags or anything, this is going to be something that you're going to like. I've even put this on my like cracked knuckles before just to see like if it would like moisturize it, because it's such an intense hydrating cream, and it actually did. It helped right away. So the next step I'm going to be doing is the Versalash Eyelash Enhancer Serum. So this eyelash serum is a 30-day supply. You don't get the full treatment until you finish the tube, obviously, so I can't give like a true review until I use up this tube, but so far it's, you know, it's nice, it feels nice. You're just supposed to apply it like you would eyeliner, and you really only need one stroke. And you don't do the lower lash line, I think just because you just don't want to get this up in your eye. I figure if I can put it on my eye, I can put it on my eyebrows, because I'm trying to grow these suckers out also. And you just let this sit in for 2 minutes, and then you can go on with your normal routine if you were applying any other eye makeup. So this lash serum is formulated with botanicals and peptides to lengthen, nourish, and thicken your lashes. I did read that this is safe to use with eyelash extensions if you wear them, and this is actually designed to strengthen and protect against breakage. So the last step is going to be my Versalash 3D Fiber Mascara. So this is a 2-step lash duo kit that is formulated with vitamin-rich peptides and made with green tea fibers to help lengthen your lashes by 300%. This is pretty similar to a lot of the other 3D mascaras that are out there, but this just has better ingredients for your lashes, I think. It's very similar in application to like Unique or any of the other ones. I'm excited to see if I notice any changes just because of the vitamins and the green tea fibers. That's a different approach, which I can appreciate. So this is step 1 and 3. So you do this first and you finish it off with this step, but you're just coating your lashes just like a regular mascara. Oh god. Not starting off strong. Okay, got some length there. Okay, and while that's still wet, you want to take the second tube and just start putting it on. It's gonna get messy, but once you like seal it in with the third step, it's fine. This is something that's really good for people that have really short lashes. Okay, now that the fibers are there, I'm gonna go back in with the first step again. Okay, so I finished up my right eye over here, so yeah, you can see the difference. Definitely made it longer. It's a nice little wing. Okay, well, I'm all done. My skin feels very clean. I'm ready to get my day going. So I just applied some sunscreen because I did use something that was an exfoliant that had acids in it. I just want to make sure that my skin is somewhat protected from the sun today, so that's why I put that on. But yeah, so I'm all done. It smells really good and it feels really professional, so I would recommend it. I hope somebody enjoyed this video and found it helpful. You should definitely leave me a comment down below if you've ever tried this skincare line. I'd love to hear other people's experiences with it. I do have some shorter tutorials on my Instagram using these Priyanamd products if you want to check those out. Don't forget to subscribe and comment, and thank you so much for watching.